NATO threatens Putin. We have almost 100 aircraft and 120 ships on standby. NATO Secretary-General Jens Stoltenberg warned on Tuesday that Russia had not stopped planning for a full-scale invasion of Ukraine since recognizing the independence of separatist enclaves. Stoltenberg spoke at a conference in Brussels, from where he said NATO allies have more than 100 fighter jets on high alert and more than 120 warships ready at sea from the Arctic Circle to the Mediterranean. He said the NATO response force remains on high alert but has not yet been fully deployed, although some allies are moving troops, ships and planes to the Baltic states and near the Black Sea to protect other NATO members. We are seeing ongoing provocations in the Donbas and various operations where the Russians tried to create a pretext for an attack. And then of course, we saw last night that further Russian troops moved to Donbas and Luhansk. Stoltenberg praised Ukraine for its restrained behavior and for not responding to repeated Russian provocations, adding that NATO is united in their full support for the sovereignty and integrity of Ukrainian territory. Stoltenberg continues to insist that it is never too late for Russia not to attack.